Let me tell you that many of the worships that we do are done in congregation and in connection with people, such as the prayer, the regular prayer, the obligatory prayer, is normally done in the masjid with a congregation where you meet people. Also, zakah is done with where you spend the money, or you meet the recipients of your zakah, and therefore you are helping the society members, and you meet them and exchange with them the benefits of the zakah and so on. Fasting of the month of Ramadan is done in congregation where Muslims around the world do fast from dawn until sunset. At the same time, particularly when they are in the locality, you feel that you are part of this big and huge number of people who are doing this. And look at Hajj, for example, where people gather from all over the world and meet at one place at the same time, and they are doing basically the same thing, and you have the feeling of part of the congregation, part of the Muslim Ummah, with the feeling of brotherhood and sisterhood as part of this big and huge group of people. Now, that being said, obviously we need to be always in the company of people, particularly when we are young. Yes, we need times when we pray alone, where we try to avoid everyone and concentrate on our prayers, but sometimes people have to have good companions who encourage them to do good deeds, to be going in the right direction. Because if you're left alone, then you might be a subject to many temptations, to certain things that are going to take you astray and away from the right path.